Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to this busy street here. It's always so busy from these tour buses. Crazy. Sometimes the guys even driving on the walkway, on the sidewalk, on the pavement, or footpath. I'm gonna show you today what it means when it's like bad weather. At least that's what the weather forecast is saying in the app. It's actually warm still. Yesterday it was cold, and in the evening it was like feeling weirdly cold. Like it was 22, 23, but it felt like 20. But at the end of the day, it's not really cold. It's not really cold. It is cloudy. Sometimes the sun comes out, then it's warm again. But in general, it's actually a nice, refreshing breeze. So it's not that bad. It did not rain, even though it said it rains every day. It's just cold, and maybe it rains in the morning. But right now, I don't know. I think it's warm. It's warm, but I will check out the beach right now, how the beach looks. Because I saw some photos and videos that the beach erosion is pretty bad right now again. Not sure what happened. Maybe a storm or something. But yeah, I'm on the way to the beach. I'm gonna do a little U-turn on to the Aussie Bistro. But yeah, it's pretty nice and calm today. It's Saturday. But yeah, it's good. I think actually if you traveling to Da Nang and there are some days like this, you will have even better time, because then you can do all the sightseeing tours on that day when it's not too hot. Because just 3 days ago it was very, very hot already, and it's not gonna get colder then for the rest of the year, just until December when it gets bad again. But up until 9, it's pretty good. So this is not a perfect beach weather, that's true. But it's a great weather to explore the city. Go eating somewhere, eat street food. Something going on there again. They block the street and have a stage there. So be aware, if you live in this streets in the hotels, it might be a little bit loud. But I don't think they're gonna have it too long, because they know there are a lot of hotels over there.
Yeah.
Now let's check out the beach. The ocean was 3 days ago very nice. Then it was nice. Then it was like a little bit cloudy, but still hot. Then yesterday it was pretty cold. But then again, it's not that cold. And it did not rain nasty, not like December or something. So it's all good. I think you as a surfer, you're gonna have some good times over there. Surfing looks pretty, I mean, maybe it's too wild even to surf. I could imagine you cannot even go out there at the moment. It's very, very strong waves. The ocean is, yes, actually if I look all the way in the back, you have some nice breaks over there. But I don't see any surfers out. So we're gonna explore, we're gonna see it. Yeah, I can see it. So the water is super close to the promenade again. But I see some surfers all the way in the back. Hey! The Bavarian Thunder, Thomas. How you doing? Wie geht's?
Ja. Hey, ich bin gerade drauf aufmerksam gemacht worden. Und man denkt, oh, jetzt machst du einen Frühschoppen. Ne?
Ja.
Ich habe jetzt 2 halbe getrunken.
Ja.
Dann hat er gesagt, das geht nicht. Happy Hour, du musst eine dritte trinken.
Oh!
Ja, und jetzt geht er von 4 da mit dem Baguette-Ding und so.
Ja, ja.
Also brauche ich jetzt noch
Einen kleinen Wemmer.
Ja, und dann. Ne?
Okay.
Und du?
Oh, no. I think this is one of the funniest Germans I know. He's also a viewer of my German, Marcus and my German channel, and very interesting Bavarian. He also told me he only wanted to have a beer, but then he saw the happy hour sign, and he was like, I gotta get a second one. And then when he wanted to pay, he was like, okay, happy hour, buy one, get one free. No, it was buy two, get one free. So then he said, okay, then he has another beer. Now he had 3 beer, and now he's gonna get a pork belly banh mi, which I recommended to him, and he loves it there. He absolutely loves it. And he calls us very weird, okay? Wemmerl Wegler, okay? Even Germans will not understand this, okay? Only Bavarians, especially then Franconians. Yeah, very interesting. Wemmerl means, in deep, deep Bavarian slang, pork belly. And Wegler means where I'm from, means bread or baguette, or like a smaller baguette. And yeah, so a small bread, exactly what a banh mi is, a Wegler. Okay, so now you're learning Bavarian here as well. But yeah, as you can see here, it's pretty rough, and the beach part also is very slim right now. But I see lots of surfers, that's a good sign. At least they have fun. But other than that, no one is in the water. I don't think anyone can go in the water. It looks pretty, almost dangerous, I would say. It's like, you don't know what's happening there. It's like left and right, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, let's go on a promenade again. It's also very windy. I see some little bit pieces of blue sky somewhere, but it's pretty bad. But still a nice day to hang out outside. Actually, if you want to go out and have a drinks, this is nice too. Especially when the evening is not too hot and humid. So, well, as you can see here, we have lots of surfboards still available. I don't think everyone can surf here. Some people will try. If you go further away, there are some waves, but I'm not sure how beginner friendly it is. I think the biggest struggle is to get out there, because the waves breaking just like non-stop in very unusual forms. So it might be not the best, but you can see here, lots of people are taking a nice little stroll on the beach. People also hanging out at the beds. I'm gonna go through that. I can see a little bit blue out there. And the lifeguards, they have to do their job properly today. They have to look out, because in these waves you can easily miss people struggling out there. Usually you cannot even go out there if you don't have a surfboard, but sometimes surfers also fall, not drown, but are stuck all the way in the back. Then they have to get rescued. But here at Maya, the music never stops somehow. Always some music on. And yeah, lots of people in there. The only sad thing is really the beds and the couches over there outside. There's not that much space with the beach compared to last year. I just watched a video what I did last year, how wide the beach was. Yeah, very loud music, so I'll continue here at my favorite coconut bar. It's not busy at all, so pretty good. Even though it looks very nice now. They're all upgraded a lot. But you know what? Now it's the perfect time to get this delicious banh mi over there. So I tried this banh mi with Marcus. Super good. Very unusual banh mi. Very good. So it's not the normal banh mi. For normal banh mi, go somewhere else, but like they have some sausages with cheese inside, and then they put it in the banh mi. They grill it on the barbecue and put it in the banh mi with extra cheese, and yeah, absolutely delicious. And they have chicken skewers. Yeah, it's a lot of meat. It's nice. It's definitely not a usual banh mi, but definitely something good to try out. But if you see a lot of people around that place, just wait a little bit, because I think sometimes I think we waited 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So if it's too many people, just avoid. But if you see it just like now, that time, no one is there, get it on. Get yourself one or two. They're very good. They're not light though, so don't eat too much. Fixing the grass here. Now we're at the Paradise, and that also means where we can go all the way to the Aussie Bistro over there. It's very easy to find the Aussie Bistro. It's just behind this highest building here, Muang Thang building. I think they're the highest, with 40 floors. I'm not sure if it's 100% 40, but that's what they say. Sometimes those high rises have just they make some numbers up to seem bigger, right? A lot of times in Vietnam, you will not see the number 4, 13 or 14. 4, I think, means deaf or something like that. 14, even double deaf. And 13 is an unlucky number. So in some buildings I saw that they, like Haiyan. Haiyan does not have 4 or 13. And then they just skip a number. But sometimes they say, for example, if they are like honest with the floors, then they would say 12A, 12B, right? And then 14. Then it's also okay again. Yeah, this is the fastest way. Also, if you see the Nesta Hotel, it's straight on there. My God, it's windy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But actually, I think I'm gonna actually enjoy this now more, because I will go to Thailand and it's gonna be super hot over there. But I will go there with Marcus, so I will do some walks there over there too. But I'm excited. I'm actually also wondering how Thailand is right now. I heard it's very, very polluted. But I wanna see how it goes. Yo!
Are you streaming?
No, I'm just filming. It's Bud Kauman on TikTok.
How you
doing?
doing your walk right now?
Yeah.
Same
You always
country.
ask who's Bud. This is Bud. You will always see him when he has his yellow shoes on. And his yellow on TikTok, okay? Have a good day. That's funny. That's Bud Kauman. He's doing live streams on TikTok. Very good friend. He also officiated me and my wife in Hanoi. Not really officially, but for the crowds. So we are here right now, right at the Chan Bac Dan Street, a very important street also to remember. The Chan Bac Dan Street starts at the middle of An Thuong 1 and 2. And another American comes here. The American's taking over. Hey mate, how you doing, mate?
What's going on, Bala?
How you doing?
How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
It's another day.
Hey, yo, Aaron is all over there. Did you see him?
It's super windy. What?
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't go that way because it was like rocking
Yeah.
me on the bike, man. Okay.
Yeah, where are you going, man?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a shoot, film the a national Olympian for the bobsled team.
Okay, so
My,
he's working
TV
on a
show.
he's working on a TV show.
A documentary.
Documentary,
sorry. Yeah,
yes,
a TV
all right.
show.
We'll let you know whenever this comes out.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Interesting.
about the women of Vietnam. It is Women's Day, so happy International Women's Day
Perfect,
for all the
yeah.
ladies out there as well.
Yeah.
So it's a great time to support that cause. So
Awesome.
yeah, let's empower the women.
Nice. All right, okay,
All right, man.
bro.
Y'all have a wonderful
Have a
day.
good day. You too, man.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Woo. It's so, the wind is so strong, especially in those streets towards, from the beach. Oh, hi Fiona. How are you? You're in my walk now.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm wonderful.
Okay, have a great day and happy Women's Day. Bye bye. All right. Yeah, as you can see, Da Nang is pretty small. It's like a little village. Woo! I made it. All right. Okay, and as you can see here, the Aussie Bistro is all the way in the front. Oh God. If you don't want to have that much wind, stick to the streets parallel to the beach, because the buildings will give you a nice wind cover. But on those streets here, vertical, I'm not sure, vertical, right, to the beach, it's gonna be very intense. But now it's already a little bit more calm. It's warm again. It's just on the beach a little bit, which is a little bit sad to have being on the beach and then it's not that nice. But I think anytime soon it's gonna be great again. Yeah, 100%. It's also, Aussie Bistro is also in front of the Platinum Hotel. There's actually, I like the street here too, Lelo. I would like to have some speed bumps there, because you can, that's not really for me, but I can see often in those streets here, lots of local kids playing. There's also a school, and some of those morons with cars drive so fast. And I would like to have a speed bump here, because sometimes I'm like, oh my God, those kids are playing here, you know? And it's not like a official big street, you know? It's like a small little alley street. Like, drive like him, slow. Or maybe if they would put some speed bumps here, because I often see kids who live around here playing, and I'm like, oh man. Sometimes even some dumb bus drivers driving so fast here, it's crazy. But yeah, I would like to have some speed bumps here. I don't like regulations, but those like little side streets where children and dogs also roam around. Yeah. Okay, this is the Aussie Bistro. Come there for the Sunday roast. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Good day, mate! Lots of people in there already watching AFL or some rugby, and see you in the next one.